Okay, so for those of you who have single affiliate account here on Videomine, this is how to make your money. Now the truth is you can only make 450 daily, like I've said before. Now there are three things to be done here: either you watch video, you share posts, and daily login. So any of the three, if you do one out of it, you get the 450, because not every day Videomine has a sponsored post, but they always have a video. So before I continue, if you look on my dashboard here, this is my channel. You see this channel actually has 60 subscribers. That's because this is a new channel, and I'm actually interested in knowing my community here. So I like you guys to subscribe to this channel, especially if you like to learn how to make money online, how to make money in Nigeria. You want to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, even digital marketing. Also, you want to learn how to make money with even paid survey. So subscribe to this channel. All right, comment side income right there. Don't forget to watch the video to the end, and also give me a like there. I'll be in the comment section to check all your comments. Thank you guys. So yeah, that's it. Secondly, guys, for those of you who have not actually registered, you're going to see me right on this dashboard. I'm going to turn this 4,600 right here into 5,015 naira. Yeah, I'm going to make 450 right now. So if you actually want to join Videomine, so you're going to contact me with this WhatsApp number. I'm going to leave it in the description. Just contact me and I'm going to do your registration. Most of you are just creating an account and you're asking what you need to do. You are going to have zero here in your earning balance. You only have 1,450 in your account there. So this is how to do it. Click on the three dots here, go to watch videos, click on them. You go to watch videos, click on the three lines here, click on watch videos like this, and scroll down. If you scroll down, today is actually 19th of January. So close the ads. You see 19th of January, click on it like this. Once you click on it, scroll down to the last point. You are going to see a link. You must see a link here. So you just click on the link. Once you click on the link, it will take you to YouTube. Now the thing is, you don't have to watch the video to the end. Just watch the video for like 30 seconds. All right, 30 seconds is okay for you to watch the video. Once you watch the video for 30 seconds, okay, the video, this is from Videomine by yourself. Okay, this one is even 12 seconds. Watch it like this, and if it's 30 seconds, just pause the video, go back here, scroll up like this, and click on the three lines here. Again, click on your profile. When you click on your profile, either your earnings will change here, the 450 will be added here, or you come back here and go to sponsored. You have to do this. You look at it now, you go down, you look at sponsored posts. Just click on WhatsApp now. You see what's going to happen. You'll be directed to WhatsApp. Now I'm going to send this to Flix. Now you see, just do like that. Just click on it and that's it. Go back to this place. It's not every day you see sponsored posts. Anyone you do, you still earn the 450. Come back, click on profile. It doesn't change. You just go and click on logout here like this. Logout of your device. Then you click on it again, click on login. Yeah, input my details and then login. So as you can see right now, the earnings have actually changed from 4,600 to 5,050. All right, so that's how it is. This is how to make the money daily. Once you do this, you get your 4,415 naira. So let me show you guys a quick payment proof here. Look at this is I placed a withdrawal on 16th of January, which is actually on Sunday. Remember, on withdrawal here on single affiliate account is done on Wednesdays and Sundays only, and I was actually credited here. If you look at it, this is 17th January, and the next day, which was on Monday, like I said, the payment comes in 24 hours, though they will tell you 48 hours, but they do it in 24 hours. So if you look here, you're going to see this is actually my email here. This is my credit alert. This is from my email. yeah, Cowrie Wise. I'm actually getting a mail from them because I'm saving weekly here with them. So guys, this is it. If you want to register, don't forget to send me a message, a DM from my WhatsApp, and I'm going to do your registration. So for those of you who have not subscribed, go right there and subscribe, and don't forget to comment below side income. So that's it for the video. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.